Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you connect your ShopPay account with Google. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to do that, you just simply have to open your ShopPay application, and after opening the ShopPay application, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to select this option at the very bottom, and after selecting that you will get to see connect account option. Tap to connect account, and after tapping into there you will get to see this option of connect Gmail. Tap there, and after tapping into connect Gmail you can choose any of the Gmail account that you use, or you can also add another Gmail account. So simply select the Gmail account that you would like to connect with, and after selecting the Gmail account it will ask for the permission. Just simply give permission by tapping into continue, and after doing that your account will successfully be connected with Google. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.